Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I saw that you all really enjoyed my MOXY Miami South Beach hotel review. So I had to show you the MOXY hotel in my hometown. It's called the MOXY Atlanta MIDTOWN Hotel. So the hotel is located in Midtown, and of course in Georgia you can't really walk too many places. You have to catch the train or drive, but some of the nearby attractions are the High Museum and the Symphony Orchestra, and I think the aquarium is like 2 miles. First up, the lobby. So when you walk in, you're greeted at the bar, and that's where you check in. Yes, y'all, the check-in is at the bar. And you will be greeted with a cocktail that's on the house. This is considered a boutique hotel, and the atmosphere is very fun here. It's not like MOXY Miami where the colors are vibrant and bright. To me, this is more of a minimalist vibe, but the decor is very nice, y'all, and the paintings are nice also. They also have another lobby that's located upstairs. To me, this lobby gives more of like the regular hotel vibes. It has the traditional decor. The rooms. So here's a quick look at the hallway. The queen room. Okay, so this is your typical double queen bedroom, but unlike the MOXY Miami, y'all, this room had so much space. Just look at the pictures. And I'm starting to know a common theme with the MOXY hotels is that maybe they don't like closets, or they're just like minimalist and trying to use as less space as possible, but of course the closet is the same. The king. So you have the standard size and the large size. And also you have the option of a balcony or not. The suite. So this is a 2-room suite. You get the bedroom with 2 queen beds, and then also you have the living area with the couch and the courtyard view. And look at the hammock. I think it's so cute and cool. Also, you get a double vanity. The patio suite. It's the same as the regular suite, except it comes with a courtyard view on the terrace level, so you get a bigger balcony. It still has the 2 queen beds and the 2 vanities. The gaming room. So grab your family, friends, or your partner and head down to the gaming room. There are tons of games for you to play, like Monopoly, chess, pool, and more. Bar. So you can come back down to the lobby where you checked in at and grab you another drink. Also, they have another bar upstairs. Breakfast. So this is my favorite meal of the day. Well, actually brunch. But you can come downstairs and grab your bite to eat. They have different varieties of foods for you. The rooftop bar. So this restaurant is called High Note, and reservations are strongly recommended. You can make reservations on Open Table. Also, the food here looks delicious and the ambiance is to die for. Just look at the furniture, so pretty out here. And then just to see the downtown view at night, oh my gosh, it's breathtaking. So the pool is open every day from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And as you can see, MOXY is big on their floaties. So you can come down here and take a quick splash or just to get some nice pictures and enjoy the sun. The gym. So this one is for my workout enthusiasts. The gym is actually open 24 hours, so you can go get your workout on. Meeting and workroom. So this is pretty self-explanatory. They have so many rooms where you can host private events, have meetings, do work, like the business area. They have computers for you to use. The pickups. So this is a 24-hour grab-and-go food and beverage station. This comes in handy for those late-night cravings. The playroom. So this one is for all my parents. You can bring your child down here and they will enjoy themselves in the playroom where they can watch TV or play games. The extras. So y'all look at this ironing room. I don't know about you, but I would love to iron down here. And also they have a locker room for you to store any of your purses, your hats, or anything else. Alright, well that wraps up this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have stayed at the MOXY Atlanta Midtown or if you stayed at the MOXY South Beach, and let me know which MOXY you like the best. And also let me know what other MOXY hotels I should do a review on. Also, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.